Security survey and security risk assessment. What is the difference? Hey everyone, I'm Shiva RP. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is security survey, and at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what is the difference between security survey and security risk assessment. A security survey is the most valuable tool of risk management process for any security professional. It's a critical on-site examination and analysis of your facility. For example, it could be an industrial plant or a business office or a commercial complex or a home, a public or private institution or a property. The overall objective of a security survey is to understand what is the current status of your existing facility. You will find out, are there any deficiencies? Are there any security measures which are excess and the protection needed is sufficient, or do you need to increase the protection levels? And in the security survey, you will also make recommendations to improve the overall security of your facility. Generally, it has a checklist, and that consists of areas that needs to be examined and list of items that you must examine and follow in a systematic manner. And when that checklist is prepared by subject matter expertise and carried out by subject matter experts, you will have much better results. And simply put, in security survey, by using this checklist, you are trying to find out what are the risks that are going to be there. You are going to anticipate them and you are going to recognize them, and then you will also evaluate those vulnerabilities and risks of the facility, and then you try to remove them or you try to reduce them. The basic security survey framework generally consists of 5 steps, starting with generating survey request, whether it is from your client or from your management, and conducting the physical security inspection. Maybe you can call it physical security walkthrough or physical security survey. Then you deliver the security survey recommendations to the client. Then you will follow up after your report is completed, and then you keep evaluating that program to see whether the survey recommendations are implemented or any changes are required. The recommendations in the survey can be categorized into 3 categories, like minimum security, medium security, or maximum security that is needed. So some of the things that you have to keep in mind while you're preparing a survey report: be honest in your recommendations and be a critical thinker, and mention what you observe, and do not over exaggerate your report, and don't fill your report with maps or the flows, and do not repeat your statements. Perhaps you might be wondering what is the best time to conduct a security survey, or when is the best time management will be convenient or comfortable to allow for the security surveys. If you are a security professional, you generally agree that survey is most effective when it's conducted after a crisis happened or a security incident occurred. That's when the management will be more receptive for the recommendations. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't proactively approach the management and carry out the security survey if you are working as a security manager for that organization. And some of the qualities that you have to keep in mind in case if you are selecting a security expert for carrying out survey: he should be a good investigator. He must have understanding of what are the modus operandi of security incidents that occurs, and he should have knowledge about various electronic security systems and what are some of the limitations of those standard security electronic devices. Then you might be wondering, the security survey is also looks more or less similar like security risk assessment. Then you might be wondering, what is the difference? The difference between security survey and security risk assessment is, in security survey, your focus is more on vulnerabilities, whereas in security risk assessment, you will give the equal focus or emphasis on assets, threats, vulnerabilities, and consequences. So generally you have a checklist kind of method in security survey, whereas in security risk assessment, either you take quantitative security risk assessment approach or qualitative security risk assessment approach, and you may follow various risk assessment methodologies. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to Security FYI, subscribe to this channel.